Hi there, I've just gone and bought myself a phone holder for my car. Now you can see the back there, that's the gripper for actually gripping the air vents. I'll put it that way around so you can press it in. So it can get in quite easy. And at the front, that's holding the phone. Now the way it works is you press them two together and it opens it up. You put your phone on it and it locks it in place. So I'll just demonstrate with this. Locks it in place. And it's quite a nice one. It's got rubbers on the side of it as well. And to release it, you press them in together, it releases it. It's dead easy. Now, one of the other things I like about this is the accessories you get with it. So it's quite surprised. I've also got a USB cable for it to connect up to the USB. Sorry, a USB connector with the connections for the mobile phones. So it's got different types there. Little one there. So that's quite nice. It's about 1 meter long. And I've got a cleaner, which is, I'm assuming that's for cleaning the phone hole if it gets a bit grubby. So, you know, like you use them, you sometimes chuck them aside. And you've also got, this is a nice little handy little thing. It's for cleaning the air vents. So you can put it inside and wipe it and get rid of all the dust. So when you put your phone holder in, you're not going to get full of dust and dust blowing out because it's not been used for a while. It's got a brush at the end and a bit of a sweeper thing at the front there. So I'm going to turn it around, try and fit it on the air vent and see how it looks. So here we are. I've got the brushes. By the way, there's a link under the description, so if you wanted to look it up on Amazon. And the brushes work quite easy, fit in between, clearing away any dust. But if you've got a small vent, I suppose the circular one would be ideal for getting down there, getting rid of any fluff. It's quite long and soft. And then the phone holder, which is the main thing, it's nice, easy to use. I'm going to press it at the back so it grips it in place. That's fine, and you can twist it round to whatever angle you want. I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to put the phone on. And then, like I said, you can twist that round to whatever angle you want it at, really. It's a nice, easy one to use. It's quite sturdy, it's not going to come off, but if you wanted to release it, hold onto the phone, press the two bars in, releases it off, back on it goes. And the charger, I've already plugged into the USB cable. I'll use the middle one, I reckon when this splitter will do it. So while you're driving, the phone's out of the way, you're not interfering with it, and it's charging while you're driving, and it's safe. And then you've got your cleaning cloth, which you can use, I suppose, to clean the phone, or you can use to clean the phone holder. It's a nice, easy one, and the description for if you want more information on it is in the bottom.